Okay, here we are at a village where I caught her catching the chicken. Here we are at a village. Lady sells chickens, turkeys, roosters, whatever you want. You can see my shadow there. But anyway, she's got a wide variety of chickens. And all they do is eat organic grain that they grow here. Some nice toms. Look at them all spread out there. But anyway, she may be going after another one. Let's see what happens. There she goes. Oh, she got it. Right. That's how you buy chickens over here. No processed meat from the grocery store, just good organic chickens. Well, I think this fellow's going to buy another one. Very interesting video. Look at these chickens. They got feathers all the way down on their feet. Here she goes. Check out this white rooster coming here. There she goes. Here goes, and we're off to the races. Caught. There, 2 minutes is long enough. In the bag it goes. Thanks for watching. Well, the only chickens this guy's going to buy. She's going after more. Oh well, let's just keep filming. They gave me permission to do this, so I like those big toms right there. She's going over into the chicken house. Alright, 3 minutes is long enough. Thanks for watching.